Hey people, welcome to Top 10. Today we will discuss about top 10 countries free from COVID-19. On number 10, St. Helena. A British overseas territory in the South Atlantic Ocean, St. Helena is considered one of the most remote locales in the world. Lying more than 1200 miles from the west coast of southwestern Africa and 2500 miles east of Rio de Janeiro on the South America coastline. From 3rd January 2020 to 30th April 2021, there have been 0 confirmed cases of COVID-19 with 0 deaths reported to WHO. As of 9th April 2021, a total of 4,572 vaccine doses have been administered. On 26th March 2021, Health Directorate of St. Helena reported a low positive cases. A passenger arrived by flight on 24th March. Later, the passenger was tested negative on 29th March 2021. On number 9, Pitcairn Island. The Pitcairn Islands are the group of 4 volcanic islands that form the only British overseas territory in the Pacific Ocean. Despite no reported COVID-19 cases, the US government has warned of the high risk of contracting infectious diseases on the island. From 3rd January to 30th April, there have been 0 confirmed cases of COVID-19 with 0 deaths reported to WHO. On number 8, Palau. Palau is an independent country in free association with the United States. The island nation initially suspended all commercial air travel to stave off the coronavirus pandemic from its border, later moving to a mandatory quarantine model from 3rd January 2020 to 30th April 2021. There have been 0 confirmed cases of COVID-19 with 0 deaths reported to WHO. As of 25th April 2021, a total of 19,312 vaccine doses have only been administered. The Palau government declared an unavoidable public health emergency on 17th March 2020. Non-essential health services were reduced and international borders remained closed. On number 7, North Korea. North Korea is one of the only 2 non-island nations to make the list, although its reporting of 0 cases of the novel coronavirus have been cautioned. North Korea, the largest nation to report 0 cases with a population of 25 million, has instituted a strict lockdown, travel restrictions and closed its border, according to the Associated Press. North Korea, one of the most isolated countries in the world, continue to insist that it has been successfully grappled with the coronavirus pandemic with no coronavirus cases confirmed since the beginning of the pandemic. On number 6, Niue. Niue, located about 1200 miles northeast of New Zealand, where it is politically associated. The island nation of Niue is one of the world's largest coral islands and the westmost island of the Cook Island. Although it operates independently, the country has received support from New Zealand to help combat COVID-19. From 3rd January 2020 to 30th April 2021, there have been 0 confirmed cases of COVID-19 with 0 deaths reported to WHO. On number 5, Nauru. Neighboring Kiribati, Nauru is the 3rd smallest country in the world by size. The single island, just over 8 square miles, is home to the 2nd smallest population in the world at around 10,000. The coronavirus at bay through similar travel restriction to their neighboring island nations. As of 22 April 2021, a total of 2,388 vaccine doses have been administered. On number 4, Kiribati. 32 atolls, circular coral reefs and 1 arise limestone island make up Kiribati, located about 2,000 miles southwest of Hawaii. The country, one of the only nations located in all four hemispheres, instituted travel restriction to combat COVID-19 early on, made easier given that only a handful of airlines make the trip to the remote nation. Kiribati remains one of the only 10 countries globally with no confirmed cases of COVID-19. A national state of public health emergency was first declared by the Kiribati government on 25th March 2020. On number 3, Federated State of Micronesia. While the Federated State of Micronesia, made up of over 600 islands, take up fewer than 300 combined square miles of land between four states, it occupies around million square miles of ocean. Although the country has reported 0 cases of COVID-19 according to the World Health Organization, it has received support from the US, China and Japan throughout the coronavirus pandemic. As of 25th April, a total of 31,220 vaccine doses have been administered. UNICEF partnered with the government of the Federated State of Micronesia and the Micronesia Red Cross Society for a house-to-house campaign to engage children and other locals for COVID-19 awareness. On number 2, Cook Island. Cook Island is made of 15 small islands. The Cook Island is an island nation located in the South Pacific, more than 2,000 miles northeast of New Zealand, where it is politically linked. The country has reported keep the virus out of the mandatory quarantine upon entry and temporarily banning recreational boats from its port, including cruise. In Cook Island from 3rd January to 30th April, there have been 0 confirmed cases. On number 1, American Samoa, an incorporated territory belonging to the United States. American Samoa consists of the 5 islands and 2 atolls in South Pacific Ocean. The island has a population of about 55,000 and it's accessible by air travel. As of 25th April 2021, a total of 37,590 vaccine doses have been administered. That's all about this video. Hope you find this informative. If you did, do subscribe. See you next time. Ta-da!